You may have seen this Tesla-style RC tractor hauling food across the land to a tiny village called Bunnipur. But have you ever wondered how it was built? Today, I'll take you behind the scenes, where robotics, creativity, and a love for bunnies all come together. So here's the idea: I wanted to build something that's not just functional, but fun. Under the hood, it's powered by an ESP32 brain, driving a powerful NEMA 23 motor with a belt system for smooth movement. It steers using a servo, has another servo to control the front blade, and even features a pan and tilt camera so I can look around as I drive. I 3D printed every part of this machine, from the frame to the gears to the wheels, and then connected everything piece by piece. The drivetrain uses a 5-to-1 gear ratio, which means for every 5 spins of the motor shaft, the wheels turn just once. That gives it crazy torque. I can't even stop the wheels with my hands. And the wheels? They look just like real tractor tires, with chunky treads that grip the ground like a beast. Even the steering system looks and feels legit, super smooth and strong. Oh, and the front blade? It's powerful enough to actually lift the entire front of the tractor off the ground. It's not just for show, it works. To complete the delivery system, I 3D printed the chassis for 3 elegant trolleys, each mounted on smooth rolling wheels. They're sturdy, lightweight, and look seriously sleek. Very bunny friendly. And get this, all 3 trolleys connect using just a simple pin or M3 screw, so they form a clean, reliable chain behind the tractor. Thanks to the design, they all follow perfectly in a kinematic chain. I only need to pull the first one, and the rest glide right along behind it. Here's a quick demo. I'm using my Xbox controller to drive the whole setup. And yep, it runs smooth. If you enjoyed this build, please subscribe. It really helps us a lot and keeps these fun projects going. And if you're wondering how this robot performed in the real world, head over to our Bunnipur channel to watch it deliver food to the bunnies in action. Trust me, you don't want to miss their reaction. Rabbit face green heart.